Hello and welcome to this guide where we will learn about team management on Chatzy AI. We're going to learn how to add members to your team with different roles. Adding team members in Chatzy AI is quite simple. Start by going to the left sidebar and clicking on Invite Team Members. Once you click on it, you'll see an option to invite new members to your team. Click the Invite button. You'll be asked to enter the email of the person you want to invite and select a role for them. In Chatzy AI, there are 6 roles you can assign to a user. You can find detailed information about each role in our help documentation, but here's a quick overview. The account owner is automatically assigned the super admin role. Super admins have full access to everything, and they cannot be removed. Admins also have full access, but the only difference is that they can't remove the super admin. Editors can manage most areas of the platform but are restricted from performing sensitive actions like managing the team, billing, disconnecting channels like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger, and accessing advanced chatbot settings. Viewers can view the reports and other metrics in dashboards, campaign performance, and contacts. They cannot change any settings or access sensitive features. Agents are team members who can reply to customers from the Conversations tab, but they don't have access to any other part of the platform. There's also a special role called Viewer Agent. This role is for situations where you want someone to both reply to conversations and also view dashboards, campaign performance, and journey runs. Once you've chosen the appropriate role, click on Invite. After clicking, you'll see the invited member listed under My Team Members along with their email, assigned role, invitation status, which will show as pending, and the permissions associated with their role. Ask the person you invited to check their email. They will receive an invitation email from Chatzy AI. If the person hasn't signed up for Chatzy AI yet, they can create an account using the same email. Alternatively, they can simply click the link in the invitation email. Once they click the link, they'll be redirected to the Chatzy AI app, specifically to the Invitations tab. Here, they can see who invited them and the status of their invitation. They can choose to accept the invitation, and once they do, they'll be added to your team. When you refresh the page, you'll see that their status has changed to active in the team list. If someone else invites you to their team, you'll also receive an invitation under the Invitations section. You can choose to accept or reject it. If you accept, that team will appear under the Teams I Am Part of section in your account. That's how you can add members to your team and manage team invitations in Chatzy AI. Thank you!